I'm Tina, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my newest diaper bag. It is the Lily Jade Caroline bag in stone and gold. I also got the strap in camel and white. The bag actually comes with a matching strap, but I just think that this is so pretty that matches so well with the color. Lily Jade is known for their high quality leather bags. Other than the diaper bag, they also make professional bags, travel bags, and accessories like wallets and straps. This is Lily Jade's new faux leather bag and the only faux leather bag they have right now. This bag comes in 7 colors. The strap also comes in many different colors as well, so you can mix and match the strap to your bag to make it your own. What I really like about this bag is that there are 3 ways that you can wear this bag. You can just hold it up at the handle and put your arm through like this. Or you can use this strap and wear it as a crossbody bag or shoulder bag. And most importantly, this is a diaper backpack. So I've been a mom for 4 years, and throughout the years, I've been through my fair share of diaper bags. And there are a few things that I really look for in a diaper bag. Number 1 is that the diaper bag has to be a diaper backpack, so you can wear it like, a book bag, a backpack. Because when you're a mom, you're out and about, you need both hands to grab your little one. And you cannot have a shoulder bag swinging around your side while you're trying to do something. And the second thing is that it has to be big enough to fit all your stuff in it. So we do travel a lot, and when you're traveling, you tend to be out for the entire day. And the diaper bag needs to hold everything that you need for the entire day. And because I have 2 kids, the diaper bag needs to be big enough to hold everything both kids need for the entire day. Number 3 is that the bag needs to have lots and lots of pockets and compartments so I can stay organized with all of the baby stuff that I need. This is the very first diaper bag that I got. I actually got this when I was still pregnant with my first baby. It is a very good diaper bag. The only downside is that it is not a diaper backpack. It is a crossbody bag, and like I said, I very soon realized after having the baby that you need both hands to deal with the baby. Therefore, I got this small diaper backpack in purple. It's cute and small. It met all of my needs with my one baby, but when I had my second baby, this bag got too small. Therefore, I got this huge diaper backpack. It served its purpose. It went with us while we were traveling abroad. It held everything we needed for both babies, and it's got lots of compartments. Everything about this backpack is great, but the aesthetic is not there. It looks like a school backpack and doesn't go well when you have a pretty dress on. And now this is the diaper bag that I have, the Lily Jade diaper bag, that has all of the good features of the previous diaper bag with all the compartments, the diaper backpack, and a huge bonus is that it looks beautiful and it goes well with your outfit when you have a pretty dress on. So let's go through the bag and I can show you all the compartments that's in this bag, and I'll also show you what's in my diaper bag. Let's go. Every Lily Jade bag has a Lily Jade logo on the bag, and there's signature little jewel down here, which is so cute. Like I mentioned before, there are 3 ways that you can wear the bag. The handle, you can wear the handle down up here. The straps, that is removable, which is really nice. If you don't need it, you can just take off the extra weight, and it's really easily removed. And in the back, you can wear it as a backpack. If you don't want to wear this as a backpack and you don't want these 2 straps showing, you can actually hide the straps by taking the end off and put it in this compartment here. which is really nice because once you zip it up, it looks so clean. And if you want to wear this as a backpack and you have the straps out, this becomes an additional compartment for you to store things. All of their zippers are super smooth and very high quality. In the front of the bag there is a magnetic clasp compartment. This compartment is really deep. It goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. And you can put a lot of stuff in here. What I have in here are some toys. Some cars. When you're a boy mom, you gotta have cars with you all the time. Some stickers. And that's pretty much it. Oh, another car. And two more smaller zipper compartments here. And here I just have some snacks. You always need to have snacks with you at all times. Hi. He wants to take the car. And in here, I have some wet ones antibacterial hand wipes to wipe their hands when they need to eat the snacks. And lots of hand sanitizer. Put this back in. On each side of the bag, there are compartments like this where you can put your water bottle in here or just anything that you want to grab quickly. Here, I just have some Clorox wipes in a Ziploc bag. And let me show you the main compartment. The main compartment is very deep and holds everything that I need. Here, you can put your keys here, diapers, wipes. These are masks, kids mask and adult mask. Some hair ties for girl moms. You always need to have extras in your bag. Sunglasses for any of you with kids that complain when the sun shines in their eyes, even if it's in the winter. And I just have a set of change of clothes here for each of my kids. Look how deep this is. And over here, I have some disposable bibs and disposable table toppers. These really come in handy when you're outside. And down here, oh, I have this small garbage bag. This is to hold your dirty clothing with spilled juices, diaper blowouts that you want to take it home and wash. These really come in handy. Oh, and a pair of my socks. So, the story behind this is that a lot of the indoor play spaces require socks for everybody, even the adults. So, the last thing you want to happen is that the kids cannot play because you don't have a pair of socks. So, I learned this the hard way, so I always have a pair of clean socks in here just in case. And in the back, there's another zipper pouch. I just have some band-aids here because, you know, band-aids heal everything. The bag is really deep in here with a zipper compartment in the back, 2 compartments in the front, and 2 elastic compartments on the sides. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. So let me put everything back in. These are the essentials that I keep in my diaper bag. As you can see, I still have about half of the space left. That what I usually do is I throw in the kids' water bottles and a light jacket when I go out. I just love how this bag holds everything in one place. Because this is a faux leather bag, the price is a lot more affordable. The material is very soft and durable. I've been carrying this bag out with me for a few months now, and when we're outside, sometimes we need to put the bag on a dirty bench or on the floor, but this bag has held up really well. You don't see any dirt on here. I was very impressed. Also, the handle is very durable. So a lot of the times, the first thing to break on my purses and bags is the handle. But I have all my baby things in here and it's fairly heavy, but the handle holds up really well. Also, this bag is designed in a way that it is very chic. It goes with any outfit. And I love the fact that it is so versatile. It doesn't have to be a diaper bag. I can use this as a travel bag, put my laptop in it, take it with me on the plane, and just go out with this bag without the kids. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. And remember to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Bye! And if you have any questions, just think of the one to say. 跟我翻白眼啊 I also got the strap in camel and what? Oh, camel and white. Showing there is a. You don't want these two pouches. So I've been a mom for 4 years, and we do, and I've. And what are you doing?